In front of me is Samsung Galaxy A56 and today I would like to show you how you can find all your downloads. First of all, you need to find an app called Files, actually My Files, that's already on your Samsung in Samsung folder. This one. Click on it to launch it and select the Downloads category. As you can see, all of my downloaded files are here. Now, to open one, click on it. Pick one of your apps. I want to open my file in Gallery and tap on just once or always. If you want to manage it, you can use those options, or you can always go back, hold it on the list and use all of those. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!